Yo, so today we got some heat to unbox. Your boy couldn't believe that I actually hit on this pair. And as you guys see by the tape, man, it's a tamper evident tape. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we got some heat in here. I mean, they ain't want nobody looking and peeking in the box because they might have finessed your boy if they knew what was inside of here. Let's go ahead and get to today's video, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. I know you guys peeped the other video when we talked about the Air Jordan 5 UNCs, and I did a random $100 Cash App giveaway to somebody else. You guys are going to be seeing that a little bit more often. Maybe not $100 every time, but definitely want to give back to you guys. And the Air Jordan 3 white cement giveaway will be coming very shortly. Just working out the details, working out the kinks and all that good stuff, so we can give a free pair of Air Jordan 3 white cements back to one lucky supporter. A lot more giveaways coming this year. Just show my appreciation to you guys for tapping into the channel. So subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video. The goal for this video is 400 likes. I know we can do that. You never know, I might bless somebody again via Cash App, just to show my appreciation to you guys. All right, so what we have in the box is a sneaker. You know what I'm saying? We gotta talk about it. We gotta hype it up a little bit, give you guys a little bit of outlook on the sneaker before we check it out. So these right here didn't do as well as I thought they would do prior to the release. You know, when we talk about collaborations that Jordan Brand does, you usually don't see them going for right around retail, let alone under retail. These things right here are going for under retail and a lot of sizes, and I did not expect that to happen with a collab. You know what I'm saying? That happens sometimes. Some shoes flop, just like the Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled, we the best. That sneaker right there, everybody was hyping up for a long time, and the next thing you know, the resale wasn't going anywhere and people try to bash the sneaker. That's what I do not like about the sneaker community. Just because the shoe isn't going for $1 million don't mean that the shoe ain't dope. The sneakers is definitely still dope. It's just not something that people making money off of. So don't let the resale, you know, saying twist your opinion. Don't let it, you know, alter what you're thinking about it just because of that simple fact, the resale value. So let's go ahead and get in here. You probably already seen the box, man. Your boy's excited because I already have the white pair. Actually, they're on the way. So the pair I did have was not my size, ended up selling them, and then I was able to hit on another pair, which we're gonna unbox very shortly on the channel. So let's go ahead and check it out. You guys see the box, man. NOIR logo is going all around it. They could be one or two pairs, you know, the white or the black pair that just released for the Air Jordan 12 collab, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, check it out. The you know, the packaging presentation is very good, and I just want to note that this is my first time ever hitting on NOIR website. We got the 1s, 2s, 3s, the 4s, and now we got these bad boys, and I finally hit. So women's Air Jordan 12 Retro SP, black and burgundy crush, and I got them in my size. You know what I'm saying? It feels so good to get a pair in your size at retail therapy. As you guys can see, we got a 10.5 in women, which is a 9 in men. Hopefully that focuses. I don't know what's going on. There we go. So there we have it, 10.5 in women, 9 in men. Got your NOIR logo over here, Jordan logo, super clean. Let's go ahead and pop these things open. First time seeing these joints in hand, so I'm a little bit excited about these. So let's go ahead and pull them open. You guys already know, kind of broke these things down with the white pair that we had on the channel. Check it out. You got the flu games right there. And let's go ahead and check these things out, man. In 3, 2, 1, bam, man. Check them out. We have the Air Jordan 12 NOIR in that black colorway, and these right here, let me go ahead and check them out real quick. Hold on, let me pull both of them out of the box and give you guys my honest take on the shoe. And I'm gonna keep it real, as I always try to do. I ain't gonna try to gas it up or nothing like that. Get the box out of the way, and yeah, it's not a bad shoe. I don't know what happened. I don't know why people, I actually do know why people pass up on these, but just think about it like this, man. So real quick, let me show you guys the sneaker real quick, get a quick little 360. I'm gonna give you guys the real 100%, you know, take on this shoe. It's gonna be a shoe, of course. The resale isn't doing anything right now, but once pairs are gone, once people start pushing them off, that's when you're gonna get that low quantity of the shoes at DS, which is gonna raise up that resale value. And these right here are clean, bruh. These joints is clean. I don't know why people sleeping on them. I really do not. I know a lot of people had issues with ashiness on their pair, but these joints is pristine, bro. Like, very pristine condition. I know there's gonna be a couple comments down there like, yo, the Adventure is like every single sneaker. But this NOIR black Air Jordan 12 is actually really nice. And I thought that the white pair was killing the black pair, but it's actually a little bit closer than I thought. You know what I'm saying? I thought the white pair was just hands down the better pair just based off pictures. But bruh, when you get these joints in hand, I'm telling y'all, these things are really nice, bro. Very clean sneaker, something to pop out in. Definitely go, you know what I'm saying, step out and really want to show a statement. This is a statement sneaker in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? When you go out to sneaker events and stuff like that, this is something I will pull out personally, just because I think that this is a clean collab. It's a very subtle sneaker, nothing too crazy. One thing I do want to point out is the you know, the suede on the mudguard is not as I guess you could say furry as the white pair. I'm gonna put a little B-roll of the white pair that I have, and them joints was like super thick. You can see it. It is to the point where even NOIR sent out the email saying that, you know, that burgundy colorway on the white pair will bleed off eventually. I think they actually had to cancel orders because of that simple fact. And some of the white pairs, they ran out of quantity of them. And I think it's pretty obvious that the white pair is a little bit more sought after. But please do not sleep on these Air Jordan 12 NOIRs. Got my size. Your boy is excited, you know what I'm saying? I definitely think, you know, later down the line, like I said, when pairs are all gone, when we forget about the NOIR 12 drop, and next thing you know, these are gonna be going for over $300, $350, and it's gonna start to climb up. That's what we've been seeing for a lot of the past collabs that we have seen. NOIR isn't done yet. They have scheduled an Air Jordan 5 drop. I think it's a cell colorway, and then it's another black colorway. They kind of doing those monochromatic, you know, colorways. Very simple, hitting with a little spin, hitting little details, you feel me? And I really like the black pair. And I told my boy Retro, I said, you know what? I'm going to sell the black pair and just keep the white pair to have. But actually getting them in hand, these joints is tough, man. I think that the black pair is, like I said, probably a little less sought after because it is black. I even look back to the OVO drop that Drake did with the Air Jordan 12, and the white pair was just super sought after. The black pair, nobody was really feeling it. But you check the OVO 12s out right now in the black or the white, you probably ain't gonna pull that trigger because the resale is going bananas right now. So the same hit you get on the white pair, you get on the black, man. Check it out. You have your NOIR on the back, and then on, what's this, the left shoe, you have Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And man, these things is nice, bro. I don't know why y'all slept. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you secured these joints right now. They did a drop on the Sneakers app, and they did a drop on NOIR, and I think that is some smaller sizes currently sitting. Let me check real quick. I think it's some smaller sizes sitting on the Nike Sneakers app. I don't think it's any, you know, regular sizes that men are seeking. This was a woman's exclusive. Hopefully one day we get a men's exclusive NOIR. You might see that with like a Jordan 11 or a Jordan 9 or something like that. I feel like when you go for, you know, 1 through 5 or even a Jordan 12 for a collab, it's kind of hard to miss in my opinion. So if you go on to the Sneakers app and you go to in stock, you guys can see the NOIRs right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, see what size they have available, and they only have size women 5 through women size 9 available right now. Check that out. All them big sizes is gone. These gonna be going too, and I can just imagine, like I said, a couple months down the line, that resale gonna start to hike up. We're not gonna get a retro of this. They're not dropping again. So cop now, in my opinion, if you like them. Don't let that resale persuade you into saying the sneaker ain't dope. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell, man. I appreciate everybody for sliding through today's video. Please drop them comments. Let me know what you're thinking about these NOIR drops. Like I said, we got a 5 dropping very shortly, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna see an NOIR 6 before we know it. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. Go tap in with me over there. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.